Hi there, welcome to the first Ninja Luxe Café tutorial video. Here at Ninja, our mission is to give you the entire world of coffee without limits. We've made it super easy to make excellent espresso and more without all the trial and error that comes with traditional espresso machines. All right, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your box and starter kit. All the pieces are laid out here so you can see, which feels like a lot, but trust me, after you've made your first drink, all your jitters will melt away. We're gonna start with the water hardness test. To test your water, start with filling up a cup from your tap or fridge. Take a test strip and dunk it in all the way. Wait about 10 seconds until you take it out and then lay it flat. After 60 seconds, you'll count how many purple squares are on the strip. Once you've got your magic number, plug in your machine. When turning it on for the first time, the screen will show HD05. Use the center dial to change it to the number of squares you had. Then press the dial to lock it in. Simple. Next, we're gonna run a short water cycle to flush out the system and get it ready to brew. All you have to do is fill up your reservoir to the max fill line, but don't go beyond that. Then pop the water reservoir back in place. Now grab this guy, called the portafilter, which comes with a double basket installed. Place the portafilter in the group head by aligning the orange dot on the portafilter with the orange dot on the group head. Then pull it to the right until the orange dot aligns with the lock arrow. You may feel some resistance. That's normal. Then select Classic and 12 ounces. Place a cup underneath and press the center dial. Once the machine beeps, you can dispose of the water in your sink. I know you can't wait to start making delicious drinks like this. But before you can do that, you need to calibrate your machine. With traditional espresso machines, there's a lot of trial and error required to dial in your grind. But the Ninja Luxe Café works to take this guesswork out of your hands. We're going to have to brew 2 shots of espresso so the machine can get to know your beans and dial in the perfect shot. To start making your first shot, open the bean hopper. It's UV protected so your beans stay fresh for as long as possible. Pour in your favorite beans all the way to the top, then put the lid back on. Now take your portafilter from before and grab the funnel, which is included in your starter kit. It's the plastic ring that prevents grounds from going everywhere because we're all about keeping it tidy. Press it down into the portafilter until you hear a click. Get this, the machine senses what basket you have and gives you the options that go with it. Since we have the double basket, we're going to choose double espresso. After that, our Barista Assist technology is going to give us a grind recommendation. Adjust the grind dial over here until the numbers match. Then press the Start Grind button. Once you're done grinding, you want to bring your portafilter to a level surface. Then grab your assisted tamper, included in your starter kit, push all the way down on it with your palm and give it a little twist, like this. Go ahead and remove your funnel and put it on the side for easy access later. Don't let your tamper feel left out. We've got a spot for that too. Now place the portafilter back into the group head with the same twist and lock move from before. Make sure the 2 orange dots line up. Here's a pro tip. When making espresso, place the adjustable drink tray in the first position to reduce splatter. Press the center dial to start your first espresso brew. Now remember, this shot is just the prelims. This is a calibration shot that will teach your machine how to get better. Check this out. Based on the quality of that shot, the machine is going to tell you to adjust the grind size. If you had a traditional machine, you would have to do this manually and just guess. No thanks. Now dump out your old grounds by tapping the surface of the basket over a container. Repeat the grinding and brewing process with the adjusted grind size. And now let's take a gander at shot number 2. That's already looking so much better. After this shot, your machine is ready. This 2-shot run-through is only something you do when you switch out beans. But now that we've calibrated, this machine is dialed into my beans, and this gorgeous 3rd shot I'm making right here is the one that's going to turn into a latte. Now we can froth. Grab your milk, plant-based or dairy, and your milk jug. I'm making a latte, so I'm going to fill it to the latte mark. Pull the wand up and place the milk jug with the wand inside onto the jug platform. Press the milk type button to tell the machine what kind of milk you have. Then pick the froth type. We're making a latte, so I'm choosing thin froth. Press the Start Froth button and let the machine do its thing. It's steaming, it's whisking, it's giving you decadent foam totally hands-free. When it's done, pull out the jug, which will move the wand out with it. Give the wand a super quick wipe with a damp cloth, then push it back. It'll automatically purge after. Now pour, admire, and sip. That's a latte made by you with the help of your sidekick that just keeps getting better. If you're looking for more information on your Ninja Luxe Café, be sure to check out our other how-to videos, the inspiration guide that was included in your machine, or you can always visit us at ninjakitchen.com. We can't wait to see what you brew next.